So the chords of this song are very simple. It's just a loop, but the first part of the song goes like this. Capo 3, A minor C, G, F6. Days go by and da bum bum da ba da 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 da. I'm going to show you how to do that percussive thing later, but let me first show you the chords. Capo 3, okay, A minor, just a regular A minor, and what I'm doing with this finger is I'm picking the 5th string, and with these 3 fingers I'm doing strings. You can strum it as well, but let me show you the picking way. 5, and then you just go down. 4, 3, 2. Just like that. Okay, so, and I'm doing bass, da, da, da. And then the C, the thumb stays on the same string, but these 3 fingers go down to the 3 bottom strings. And with the G, I'm just doing 1 finger here, and then these 3 fingers go back to strings 4, 3, and 2. And then you can do 2 options. You can do this F here, where you play just those 3 strings. Okay, then you go. But if you want that full bass sound, then you need to push the bass, get the F bass in there. And in the recording, you'll hear it's the piano doing that low boom, while the electric is doing boom, boom, boom. Anyway. Or you could just do. Or this is the way I played it. Otherwise I can't monetize this video. Pretty basic song, and then the rest of the song, so that F6 is basically like an F, which most tutorials that you've probably watched before you got to mine will show you just to play an F, but it's not an F, it's an F6 because it's got that D note in it, which makes it an F6. It's the 6th note of the scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm a wreck without you here. 'Cause I'm a wreck since you've been gone. Oh wait, that would be like okay. I'm getting distracted, but anyway, that's how you play it. If you want to strum it, you could, or if you want to pick it with a different way, if you don't like that picking, you could do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just thumb, index, middle, index. I'm around. Da, 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 da. I'm a wreck without you here. 'Cause I'm a wreck since you've been gone. So that is just like this motion, boom, boom, and then you gotta put your thumb in the string like this, and then go. First practice that for a long time, then you can get the bass going. That's amazing. And that is just practicing that. Okay. Anyway, I gotta go bounce, guys. Got a private lesson coming up. If you want to do private lessons with me, sign up. Ding, 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 ding. comments, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye.